become a pilot, and just one ride to feel like one.
Okay, rocking with the famous air raid rod. Here we go. Rock it, shake it, can you take it?
Are you ready to rock the power off?
Party alarm!
Yeah, runners, let's go crazy.
I'm so sorry that my time is up, but I can't move on if what's the gun.
Come on, move in by your taking for the next one. It's just £1.
I want all the strings attached. Oh, I'm gonna keep in my
What's the what is the next one?
Hey, runners, everybody say yeah. Everybody say whoa. Come on, I want to see everybody's hands in the sky. If you want to go faster, somebody scream. All the way to the sky. Are you ready to fly? We slowing you down, spinning you round and around and around and around. Is it wicked? Are you loving it, loving it, loving it? Okay, what is? You want to do it one more time? If you want to do it one more time, I want to see your hands and your legs in the air.
5, 4, 3, 2, are you ready?
Here we go, here we go, here we go again!
MBQ, calling all patrols. Air raid warning, clear all streets and stop incoming traffic.
Okay. Somebody scream! With the UK's number one extreme.
Thank you for riding the air raid.
Yeah, that's right. Come on, buy your token now.
Please pay at the pay box if you would like to. Please pay at the pay box if you would like to ride.
Push your safety bars up and exit to the left-hand side.
Please exit to the left.